The tsaddik is the flowing stream. With God's help, eve of Yom Kippur, 5728. In honor of the President of Israel, the light of my eye and my heart, who is praised and acclaimed in the mouth of all Israel, Mr. Z. Shazar, who through the great nobility of his high and very exalted soul, merited to walk in the palace of wisdom and science of the flowing spring that never ceases and that shields over Israel from generation to generation for eternity, and that shines upon us the light of knowledge, to know and to recognize God, a good and sweet year, blessed with a good and long life, healthy and rejuvenated, a true life, with a happy heart and great spiritual satisfaction. I received your heartfelt blessing, along with donation in the amount of 100 Israeli lirot, dated from 28 Elul 5727. From the depths of my heart I proclaim your high stature. Many thanks and blessings and thunderous acclaim for your great kindness to me. May God repay your good effort and give to you and to your household life and peace and blessing and success and healing of soul and body. God knows my heart, that I am yearning and desiring and longing with expiration of the soul to write words of truth from the source of our life, our holy teacher and his holy students. May the memory of tzaddikim be for a blessing. But to my sorrow my strength has weakened, and my heart and my mind have been devastated from the great affliction and pain that I have from my illness. May you be spared, especially now that it has overcome me more intensely. May God have mercy on us and send his word and heal us speedily with the strength and the merit of the flowing spring, the source of our life, our holy teacher, Nach, Nachman, MeUman. And may he grant you success in everything. May the merit of the charity stand by your side and hasten to save you with all salvations and success.